got this maintenance detail complete for the Toyota Tacoma. This vehicle came in after going on a road trip to Utah and Nevada. Had a lot of Utah clay along the bottom parts of the vehicle. This truck was ceramic coated with OP7 a few months back, so we got it back into shape just how it was the day he picked it up from me. It's very important to take care of your ceramic coated vehicles. With how filthy this paint was, it's really important you use the proper steps in order to remove the dirt safely so you're not imposing any scratches or swirling into the finish. There is a process to it. It's not just as simple as getting a bucket with a mitt and rubbing onto the finish. That way you will actually impose swirling. So if you have any questions on how to maintain the vehicle properly without imposing any swirling or scratching in the paint, you can reach out and let me know. Happy to help you out and get the trucks or your cars dialed in for you. This maintenance detail includes all the trim reconditioned throughout the vehicle. The wheel wells were cleaned up, the wheels and tires cleaned and conditioned as well. With all maintenance details, it also includes a rehydration of the coating. We apply ceramic detailer after going through with our drying aid with Ceramic Plus. So we completely rehydrate the coating and get it back into perfect shape. Brought the shine back. It's all set and ready to go.